Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell laptop. For this case, I'm going to insert in my USB drive which has Windows. I switch on my laptop, then I place F12 on my Dell laptop. As you can see, it's loading. As you long press the F12 button, as you can see, I'm going to be using my wireless keyboard because this down arrow is not working. Now it's on boot menu, it's preparing to go on boot menu. Then if it goes on boot menu, I'm going to get the windows from the USB, then I insert them on my Dell laptop. As you can see, as I'm waiting for it to finish up the setup, it can take like 5 to... As you can see, it's now done. For this case, I don't have the USB options shown on my screen. So I'll use my wireless keyboard. I go on boot menu, then I come here down here on boot sequence, I double tap. Then you have to make sure that your internal HHD is also on. You click on the USB device storage, then you come here on post behavior, you double tap, then you come down here USB emulation, then you enable legacy USB emulation, then after you apply, after you exit to save changes. As you can see, I again double tap my F12. As you can see now, my USB storage drive is on. So I use my keyboard. I place any key on my keyboard. As you can see, now it's loading, getting ready to install the Windows on my Dell laptop. So please subscribe on my YouTube channel. If this video has been helpful, please click on the bell icon in order to get useful videos like this. Comment, like, you can tell me anything you want. I can help you on my channel. So as it's loading, it's getting ready to install the Windows from the USB to the laptop. Now it's done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Goodbye.